Success is not just about getting a job, it's about becoming capable of creating a lasting impact. I am excited to share my journey with Evision Technoserve Bangalore. After completing my technical course here, I got a job offer with a package of 2.8 LPA. Currently, I am working at COGNIZANT. My name is Harendra Yadav and I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. I completed Bachelor's of Arts in History from Jiwaji, Gwalior. Coming from a simple background, I always dream of building a strong career in IT. Evision Technoserve gave me that perfect opportunity to make that dream come true. The staff at Evision is extremely supportive and friendly. From the first day, their dedication to every student's success was clear. The teachers are highly experienced and make even tough topic easy to understand. They ensure that every student learn the concept well, no matter their background. I am truly thankful to Evision Technoserve for their guidance and support. Their structured courses, hands-on training, and real-world focus helped me gain the skills I needed. The positive environment and constant encouragement kept me motivated to my best. For fresher and job seeker, my advice is to trust Evision's process. They provide the right mix of knowledge, practical training, and job opportunities. Enrolling the Evision was one of the best decisions of my life. If you want to save time and effort while building a success career in IT, Evision Technoserve is the perfect choice. I am proud to be the part of Evision family. Highly recommended it to anyone to aiming for the bright future. Thank you, Evision Technoserve, for helping me achieving my dreams.